Order filled.
Oh, wrong contract size.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Sorry I'm a little late.
Order filled.
I thought I was gonna go live at 8 o'clock, and I did my math wrong as usual. Something wasn't right. I was like, what, 7:30? I don't normally like to go like, you know, not just streaming, but going like, you know, trading right off the bat at 7:30. Oh, sorry, at 9:30 Eastern time, I guess, but good morning, Justin Wright. What is up, man? Boy, Pablo in the house. Body box. What up? Let's get this bread. Absolutely, sir. I'm not, yeah, I mean, I'm not obviously overly too excited for today because it's obviously the last trading day of the week, and the last thing I want to do is really end up blowing accounts, right? So I'm gonna go a little slow because I think this market is definitely a little confusing as well. I think that confusion kind of continues. Oh, just 1 second, guys, 1 second. Yeah, if you are over 30%, they're gonna deny your payouts. Yeah. All right, so right off the bat, obviously we got a nice little bounce, which I thought we were gonna get a pullback first initially. I thought we initially get a pullback and try to get a bounce a little bit after, I guess a little bit later in the afternoon, but we got a bounce right off the bat, and that almost kind of makes me feel like, you know, maybe the initial bounce that we got, the bulls or set alongs may try to offload their position as we try to get a bounce in this market. Now, what does that mean? I probably would say if the bulls are gonna offload on a bounce that we're gonna get, then guess what's gonna happen? That we're gonna start to get a pullback, obviously. So I'm gonna have to be a little careful here. We are getting that nice initial bounce right off the bat at 7:30 in the morning. So for now, we're getting a bounce, guys. LM, what up, man? I wasn't over. It was right at 30%. I mean, it's okay, you know, if you get denied, you just gotta trade for another 8 days. But you know, keep in mind, you are building that buffer as you are trading that again for the next 8 days, right? So all right, so we are so far at 949. We are trying to call back into the $25,000. I'm gonna have to scalp this trade right now, guys. I'm gonna have to scalp this because I don't think it's gonna be like expecting an extension here today. I mean, at least right at this morning, early morning, I think it's gonna be a tough play. So I'm gonna try to play a quick snap. Scalp here, micro scalp, and see if I can get some good trades out of this. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for being here this morning. It's been a long time since I've been actually live this early in a day, but anyways, thank you so much, guys.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Yeah, I've got 6 contracts now, 6 micro contracts. I'm looking for a little bounce back up again. Let's see, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
It's a risky trade. Yeah, it's definitely a risky trade here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man, can this get any more choppy?
Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh, man, this is like the choppiest thing I've ever seen.
Order
All
filled.
right, nice little play there. Nice little play. I'll take it.
Order filled.
All right, now I've got 3 contracts. I'm gonna try and hold on to this trade, and I'm gonna place my hard stop here now, and try to see if we can hold this 945, and see if we get a little more extended move to back to $25,000, guys. $25,000 where I'm gonna be taking my final take profit if we end up getting a bounce into that level. Okay, so here we are, guys. We'll see what happens now. I've got 3 contracts now left over. That's the last piece. What is up, man? Tristan in the house. Good morning. You see trade date? What? They gave you 15,000. What does that mean? What is that 15,000 you're talking about? They give you $15,000. Like, is that a trade up to the $15,000 cap? Is that what it is? All right, guys, we are trying to hold this level now. See. Ooh, we are getting a little pullback here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So far, we are kind of struggling to get above. We hit a new candle on a 30-minute chart, by the way, and that looks pretty bearish. So we'll see.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. Now I'm down quite a lot. We really have to hold this level now if you really truly has a chance to get a bounce back up into the 25k. Let's see, guys. Yeah, it's a risky trade for sure. Definitely a risky trade. We're kind of like hovering in that EMA. Not really sure if you're gonna get a bounce. We'll see. We'll see, guys. Anything can happen. But I mean, the fact that we actually got a nice, beautiful bounce makes me kind of feel like we've got just a little more extension here, back maybe into the 25k. But again, so far it's kind of like it's 50-50 at this point. We'll see.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, baby. You know you want to get it up there. Give me a little splash up, 95. EMA, last EMA. Come on, let's do it. Odo. Ooh, my God.
Order filled.
Let's get it up there, honey.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. There we go. Let's go. Come on. All right. Anyways, welcome back, guys. Great to see you this morning. This is Friday morning, guys. I wouldn't want to be overly too aggressive in my trades today, for sure. Today is definitely not the kind of a day I want to be doing that. Yeah. It's the last trade day of the week. I want to be all green today. Absolutely. So.
Order filled.
I want to be all green today. Yeah. Corey, what is up, man? You're thinking you're done with the Friday. Yeah. I mean, if you're already up, then I don't see a reason why you want to be trading, right?
Order filled.
There's really no reason.
Order filled. Order
all right, there
filled.
we go, guys. My final take profit there. It's I'm trading my eval accounts, but all right, I'm gonna try and move to MNQ. Sorry, NQ trade. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. 1 second, guys. Yeah, we've got a pretty hard resistance here in that 25k. Look, man, look at this bounce. Sorry, look at this pullback you're getting right now. 920. Obviously, I'm looking at the 1 hour chart on the right hand side and kind of going, okay, well, if we can hold this 890, which is right at the low here today, I think we have a little problem. Yeah, we could flash it down.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went long 5 contracts.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
My orders are getting filled as we speak. We are pulling back down. Yeah, it's really tough to trade today, this morning.
Order filled.
But I kind of like it to the upside, at least for now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What is up, man? Anik in the house, man. Good morning. There you go. Nice little pump here. What was the sound? Is that my... oh, yeah. That's... So I passed one of my funding ticks. So I think that's the sound. They're... the account's in review now. That's great. That's great. Good stuff.
Order
All right,
filled.
so I took my profit. Final take profit there, which is great. Yeah, I'm still leaning more to the upside right now, at least for right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What firm are best now? It depends what you are trading, right? I would say Tech Profit Trader and Funding Ticks is probably the best deal. And then you also have Traderify 40% off as well, so. But honestly, I would just wait for a little while, like about a week. We got Black Friday coming in pretty soon here, right? So it kind of makes sense to wait a little bit. Yeah, I'm kind of a little down on this trade. But we still haven't broken down, so far I'm still kind of leaning for a viable pullback here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, that's a nice little bounce that we are getting right now. Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down to 3 contracts now. Let's see if we get a little bit of an extension move to retest the high at 980. Nice.
Order filled.
Let's just keep going. All right, guys.
Order
I
filled.
took my final take profit there. Not bad, guys. Not bad. I mean, look, the market's kind of choppy. We are kind of trying to, you know, make some good trades within this range band, which is fine. But it's there's definitely a lot of risk in trying to do that, right? So far, it kind of worked out in my favor, so it's good. I'll take it. But a lot of risk. All right, let's take a look at the gold. Wow, man, look at the gold. Just absolutely roasted. Down below 4,080. Are you kidding me? Really? Incredible, guys. Look at this gold. Yeah, I wouldn't be touching gold. Yeah, for sure. Not me. Okay, so we are getting a little pullback here down underneath the VWAP on a 1 hour chart, which is not good, right? This could be the start of a bigger pullback down, or do we get a bounce? Like, I'd like to see a strong bounce of this level now. That kind of make me feel like, okay, well, there's some more juice to the upside. But if not, then I think we are going to start to see some continuation pullback, right? Or at least a 50% retrace, maybe back down into the 830s maybe, and we try to get a bounce off that level. Right on the right hand side, I've got this 50% retrace. That's right in that area. We may be getting that to that level now. We'll see. All right. 875. We'll see, guys. Yeah, everything dumb. Can't wait. Can't trade gold at the moment. Stop would be way. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem. I like, honestly, every time I trade gold, I'm like, there's no where am I gonna place my stop? It's like, so I've got to have a really wide stop, and that's gonna be like risking a lot of money, right? All right, this is no good. I don't like this, right? The fact that we're kind of like having a slow grind to the downside. All right, guys, I got 2 accounts with funding ticks there under review, so that's good. Funded accounts get rebuilding. Oh well. So my goal is to have a limited damage as we get closer to the Black Friday, right? That's the goal. So 5 take profit trader under account, that's some good daily pay when they go on a pro. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. I wish these were all pro accounts for sure. All right, so we are trying to hold this. I don't know if we're gonna do that. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna try and long here.
Order filled.
Maybe this could be a mistake. I've got 4 contracts as a starter entry. We bounced off.
Order filled.
I'm long, guys. I'm long right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
Nice
filled.
little entry, guys, man.
Order
I like
filled.
that. Wow, those are super duper crazy entry.
Order filled.
Wow, that was a good play there, guys. What an entry. What a perfection. All right, I don't know. Just take it off right here. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to exit my trade. I only got 1 micro here, so not truly end of the world.
Order filled.
It's already taken out, so that's fine. Let's do something else. All right, so now we curl back up again really nicely here. So I kind of feel like we got some more upside in the making. So I'm gonna look for a little pullback down into the VWAP and try to go long there. And obviously my stop is gonna be the initial low. I honestly, I'm not sure if it's gonna get me that entry. I may have to move my entry here into the 930s, 940s with this kind of a pump we are getting right now. Oh well. But I really do not want to chase either, so I'm gonna wait for at least a little pullback down. Yeah, not a bad day. I had some good trade across the board. I did overnight swing to the downside just a little bit, nothing really too crazy. I had like a couple micro contracts in some of my accounts. That's how I kind of got all my accounts back to green. So I was down during the stream last night. I was down on one of my funding ticks account, few $100s, but that's up now quite nicely. So yeah, I think the short trade last night was a pretty good idea. I don't know if you guys saw me post a little screenshot that I will be showing the market before I go to bed, and I actually did that, so it kind of worked out nicely. So all right, so here we go, guys. We are getting a nice little pump here, and I kind of feel like you know, we try to get back into $25,000 before we try to get any kind of a pullback here, guys. So but anyways, I'm looking for a little pullback here so we can actually hop on along, but we've got to stay above the VWAP though, right? Tyson Prosper, why do you use tick chart over 1 minute? So I kind of noticed that lately I've been micro scalping quite a lot, and I kind of enjoy micro scalping. But if you want to be a good micro scalper, you need a little bit of a precision, right? So the support and resistance levels, when you take a look from a tick chart, it's more precise than 1 minute, right? And that's why but of course I've got to make sure I have the bigger picture story. So that's the larger time frame on the right hand side as well, alongside with my tick chart, right? I can't just simply use my tick chart to kind of gauge where it's going to go. I need a bigger picture story on the right hand side using the larger time frame, and I'll use a tick chart to kind of get into a better entry, right? And that's purely because you know, micro scalping usually is not my style of trading, I'll be honest. Lately I've been pretty good at micro scalping, and that's why I kind of got into the tick chart for now. But I mean, things can change a little bit later if I start to kind of realize that I'm not really doing that great at all now anymore. Then I'm gonna flip back to three. Usually I like the 3 minutes chart. Usually I like 3 minutes chart, right? That's my usual trading chart, 3 minutes. But things have changed a little bit now that I kind of enjoy trading micro scalping, and I've been pretty good at you know, not just scalping but really micro scalping this trades. And in order to do really well with that, you've got to get into tick chart. All right, guys, I've got in now. Look at that pullback that we actually ended up getting. So, ooh, guys, hold on 1 second.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Right, guys, I taking some profits off the table along the way.
Order
now.
filled. Order filled.
Right,
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm shorting now, guys. I'm shorting. Oh man, that was a fake. I'm shorting now, looking for what do you call this, retrace back into the 900 area. We may just pierce through. Yeah, exactly. We may just pierce through this 950 for all you know, and then get a bounce, right? So, and try to retest the high here at 982. Definitely doable, you know.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I've added to my short trade here. Let's see if we get a pullback here, back into the 900, guys. Back into the VWAP. Nice.
Order
Nice.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's go.
Order filled. Order
It's cooking.
filled.
It's cooking. The trades are cooking, guys. Not bad. I like
Order
it.
filled.
Nice trades.
Order filled.
Yeah, so this is what
Order
is micro
filled.
scalping, right?
Order
Precision.
filled.
All right, guys. I exited
Order
that trade.
filled.
That's a nice little $300 move, which is fine. We'll take it. Not a bad trader after all. We'll take that. Yeah, absolutely. All right, so we're getting a bounce again. I'm gonna
Order
try and
filled.
short this
Order filled.
again. Yeah, so far we're kind of holding nicely, to be honest, man. I don't know if shorting is a great idea, but I'm trying to quickly scalp here, with an understanding that this market's gonna chop here a little bit, back and forth between 900 to 950. Right, so take profit down here in this area. Yeah, we could also just get a bounce too. Retesting the high here, 990, definitely in the cards. Yeah, I think this market really also want to see a bounce back into 25,000. Well, we'll see, guys. We'll see. It's a little bit too early in the day. We're only like a little less than an hour past the open cash, so
Order filled. Order filled.
long way to go. Long way to go, guys. Long way to go. The day's not even started yet, so yeah. Ooh, yeah, let's go, man.
Order filled.
All right, that's not a pullback.
Order
there.
filled. Order filled.
All right, so there goes my final take profit. One last piece, kind of waiting here. I don't know. I think we pull back a little more now.
Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Oh shoot, we are getting a bounce. That was my money there. I know.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There we go, guys. There we go.
Order filled.
All right, I'm obviously you've got to be
Order
50%
filled.
on your evals, so that's not bad. Getting pretty close across the board here. I kind of like what I'm doing so far, guys. All right, I'm gonna try and short this again.
Order filled.
On a bounce, of course. Oh, you did the listed accounts? Oh, I did 25Ks. How do you like the 25Ks, Justin, right? I don't know if I want to be going with 25Ks, man. 25Ks, I kind of really find it difficult to trade. I don't know. Take profit share is good, but the shitty part about them is that they use Tradevate. I'm starting to really like Tradevate now. I used to hate Tradevate. You guys know that. Like, if you asked me like 4 months ago, I would have said, "Oh my god, I really hate Tradevate." But now I really do enjoy trading Tradevate, to be honest.
Order
You know?
filled.
Things have changed. I like Tradevate way better than Project X now, to be honest. Way better. Way better. You guys must be going, okay, well, he's on dope. Use 2 micro and made $300 in each account. It's clear that the buffer 2600, the profit 50 days. Yeah, but I mean, I can't be trading that for 30 days to pass. You know what I mean? The listed 25K kind of makes
Order
sense
filled.
in my opinion too. One second, guys. I'm gonna go grab my coffee here. My second copy of the day. 1 minute though, everyone. Thank you guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, what happened to this market, guys? I told you guys to stop me out while I'm not here. Damn it. All right,
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, guys.
Order filled.
There you go. That's in profit, so that's good. That was nice and easy. Did not really complicate the story. All right, guys, that's a nice little bounce that we are getting now. I'm really starting to wonder if I have to trade listed account, the 25Ks. Oh, no risk manager, you're here watching that? Yeah, I mean, yeah, don't panic, right? The last thing you want to do is really panic in trading. Honestly, I have blown a lot more accounts, kind of like trying to panic, right? Technically, if I was a newbie and if this was like 14 months ago, I would have easily just sold out on that trade. And the next thing you know, this market pulls back a little bit down and you're like, okay, well, screw this market. I'm going to blow more accounts now. You know what I mean? That would have easily happened. Yeah. All right, so we are kind of like hovering in the area now, the range bound. So we'll see, guys, how it goes. I mean, this trading is not complicated, guys. I mean, you know, it's not. It's really not. It looks like it is, but it's not. The more you try to complicate your trading, I think the more you're gonna kind of screw up, right? So SPY trying to get a bounce. I can see that happening now. SPY trying to get a bounce. The VIX trying to pull back here, right? The VIX is pulling back here. We are not really as down as much. Like MNQ is only down about sorry, no, I'm looking at the wrong one. QQQ is only down about 0.25%. We got a nice little snap, what do you call this, a slingshot bounce, right, on the QQQ, and the SPY also really looking like it's trying to do that same thing. A beautiful bounce off that 663 on that SPY, right? You see this level here? This is a beautiful bounce of the level. This is a slingshot bounce that we got here, here, and we also have here as well. So what does that mean? We could try to see a bounce back into the 672s on SPY, which would mean that we've got some more ways to go to the upside, I think. Obviously that doesn't mean that we're just going to continue getting a bounce, but I mean, the probability is that we could get a little bit of a bounce back up again. I can see that on a SPY. I can also kind of see that on a QQQ as well. So it does look like we are trying to get a bounce, right? Maybe this is Friday. Maybe this market is trying to get a little bit of a relief bounce after that big dump that we had in the last few days. We'll see, guys. Apple try to hold, Nvidia try to hold, Tesla down. Tesla is below $400, man. That's pretty significant. Yeah. Oh, really? Justin, right? You got a target at 671 just fine, really? Yeah. And guys, by the way, man, I'm loading in about I'm putting about $30,000 on my what do you call this, equity swing trade account. And that's gonna be I'm gonna be buying a lot of stocks positions, just so you guys know, giving you a little bit of a heads up on what I plan to do in the next week or two. Yeah, I'm gonna be loading in a whole bunch. And one of the thing that I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna try and get into Palantir. Too bad the Palantir is already up 174. I was kind of looking for that pullback into the 150s, and I was gonna load in a whole bunch this time around and not kind of like miss out. I'm still looking for this 150 Palantir, this area Palantir. I may try to buy in, like, you know, I may try to load in like $10,000 on Palantir. Yeah, this is my personal live account that I'm gonna try to load in. But I was I had my eyes here on 155 area, but now it almost kind of feels like, I don't know, man. I still think we pull back here, but wow, what a bounce, man. We started off at 164, we are at 174 now, which is crazy to think about. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be a buyer for Netflix at over $1,000. Yeah, I mean, if we end up pulling back here into maybe 800 or 700, then yeah, I would be a buyer maybe. But even then, we got a lot of great stocks to kind of load in. I'm not a buyer for Netflix just yet. I like ARK Holdings, right? ARK Holdings, I'd like to see this thing pull back here into, I would say, 60 area, 60. I'll be a huge buyer at 60 area, right in this area now. 60 to 65 would be probably a good place to be loading in for me. So this is what my plan is. Yeah, it will be really nice if we do this, right? Maybe a pullback here. So the path is we go up, we try to retest the 79 and give us that final splash down before we try to get a year-end rally back up again. So let's go back to the SPY here for a moment. But SPY could be, yeah, I think SPY, we could be retesting here. Yeah, 672, you know, the more and more I kind of see, I kind of feel like we get a bounce back into 670 area. And that's the level that I drew as well a long time ago. So we've got that maybe kind of playing out. We'll see, guys, how it goes as the day progress. We still have a long ways to go, so let's not Look at the SPY. Yeah, SPY getting a bounce. Good stuff, man. Good stuff, guys. If you guys are trading SPY, it's weird. All right, so we gotta, now that we've actually broken out of this 26, maybe a bounce back into 100 now. 25,100 probably a good place to be. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and step in here with my funded account on my my what do you call this? Oh man, it's I kind of feel like I'm chasing at this point now. I kind of feel like I'm chasing at this point, so you know what I mean. So as much as I like to get into this trade, I kind of feel like I'm chasing at this point, so I still think there's a little bit more room to the upside here, but we're choppy. We finally got a little squeeze back up again. We'll see. I'm gonna have to stay a little patient. No, it's a constant squeeze, guys. The FOMO is real now. The FOMO is real. I'm trying to get into a trade now with my funded account, but I don't know. I kind of feel like I'm chasing at this point, trying to play this, right? Every time we try to break down, we gotta bounce, right? You see those lines that I'm kind of drawing, so I'm gonna try and step into this trade, guys. Maybe get a little squeeze back up and then into the 100, and maybe get a pull back into the 25,050 area. That'll be nice if you do that. All right, guys, we are getting that pullback here now. Oh my God, this is unreal. Oh my God, hey, Lee in the house, man. What up, guys? Thank you guys for being here. Yeah, this is my early morning session. Usually we don't have a lot of viewers anyways. Quite honestly, I really love when we only have a few early in the day. It's fun. All right, so now we're getting that pullback, guys. We are getting that pullback now. Let's see. Here back into the 36, we got the last piece of EMA here waiting in that 60 area. We could get a little bit of a shake out the bulls kind of a play here, and maybe pull back here down into the 40s. Okay, I'm gonna go in with 1 micro now. 1 micro. And I'm gonna try and scale into my trade to the long side.
Order submitted.
Yeah, looks like a bull day for sure today. Yeah, Justin Red was right. But maybe we get a little pullback before we start to get a bounce back up again, or we just do it right now, man. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. This isn't helping me for sure. We are getting that little bit of an extended move to the upside. That's like a ascending wedge, right? And this wedge, usually when we try to overshoot to the upside like this, we're getting pretty close to the top end of this ascending wedge. Then we may get a little pullback, right? Because we're kind of overextended, running out of buyers, running out of steam. We could get a little pullback down. I would say the support could be in that 39 area. But we're not doing that. We could retest the higher and maybe start to get a pullback down. I wouldn't want to chase this, guys. I wouldn't want to chase. I want to make sure I capitalize on a pullback. If I truly believe this market's gonna get more bounce between now through maybe I don't know, maybe in the morning, then we'll definitely should retest the 30s, right, before we start to get a bounce back up again. So like this area should definitely be an area this market could end up getting a pullback into before we get a bounce, right? Some profit taken probably in that 80 zone as well, so I wouldn't be surprised. Like, I wouldn't want to chase this market now, right? To be honest, I wouldn't want to do that, and that's really the last thing I want to do, especially coming into the New York trade. This is cash, the biggest and the largest session. If you chase at the wrong time, man, you're gonna get cooked. You are going to get cooked. All right, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm only with 1 micro now, and I'm still up like 60 bucks. Incredible. You know what? I'm gonna take this off right here.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna wait for still a pullback here, guys. We'll see if we can actually get a nice little pullback here down. Oh well.
Order
I would like
submitted.
to. I'd like to see this thing pull back here, guys. I would really love to, but and then I'll try to go long and see if I can actually make some a decent profit on my funded account here, guys. I don't see this pulling back right now, guys. I just don't see that happening. I don't know what you guys think. I'm just not in that camp, at least for now. Obviously things can change, but all right, let me just let everybody know that I'm actually live as well. Nobody knows I'm live. Yeah. I hope you go green, brother. And the market keeps ripping, guys. Man, this is what I hate the most sometimes. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. It's gonna go. Let's keep going. Now probably the next target's gonna be the 160. 160 before we start to get a pullback here. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get rid of my limit orders now. This is crazy, guys. Damn it. Oh well. StockTiger on a chase mode. At least a good thing I didn't try to short this market, guys. Oh my god. The buyers are stepping in here, guys. All right, I'm gonna have to readjust my entries here again.
Order submit. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Are we not
Order
gonna get a
submitted.
pullback here, guys? Not pullback at all. Some kind of a pullback definitely do, I think, right? Oh my god, guys. Not a happy camper now. Yo, man. I missed this whole move, yo. Yo. Yeah, I'm still not gonna chase, man. I'm still not gonna chase. It is what it is. I'm not gonna chase this bad boy. No way. I still think we get a pullback here. Let's see if we get pulled back into the 130s now. And I'll try to go long from there. You've got to be kidding, guys, man. This is unreal. Give me that pullback, please. I'd like to see an average pullback here into the 130s. Oh, really? Just said right, man. You've been banking for sure. Are you trading your pro account? All right, everybody. I'm still trying to go long, but I'm looking for that pullback here down. Let's try to see if we can get a little pullback here, guys. We're kind of overextended now, finally, right? Some kind of a pullback is definitely due. And I'm trying to get into my funded account trading here. This is my funded account that I'm trading now. I'm trying to see if I can actually get some decent profit, decent trade, but oh man, not getting any of that move. Now if I try to go long, guess what this market's gonna do? It's gonna start get a pullback, right? So I'm still waiting, guys. I'm patiently waiting. I don't want to chase this. You guys know that every time I try to chase, we get cooked. So all right, here maybe we may get a chance here, guys. My first entry got filled now. My first entry got filled. Let's see if we get a little pullback down into the 130s, 140s, guys, 140s.
Order filled.
There we go, guys, 140s. Let's see.
Order filled.
3 contracts got filled. Yeah, I'm still not sure. I still think we get a little more pullback or what now? We're kind of holding this area as you speak. I think that we could try to shake out some bulls here, the weaker bulls if you will, or we just keep ripping to the upside. I don't know. Let's see if we can actually get one more stab here to the downside and try to go long here again.
Order
filled.
Yeah, I don't want to go full port on this right now. We could still get a pullback here deeper. A little bit of a deeper pullback. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, guys, and that's why I'm kind of going, okay, well, I might as well just wait a little bit.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order
filled.
All right, guys, see, my orders are getting filled as you speak, getting that little bit of a pullback here down.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 9 contracts now. All right, so that's it. I mean, I'm kind of like in full port. I'm not full port. I'm fully loaded now, guys. I'm fully loaded. That's it. And that's it. I'm gonna now look for a bounce. If we get a pullback here, I'll have to exit my trade at 130 area, right? We'll see, guys. I'm in now. I'm in 9 contracts, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, so there we are, guys. Let's see if we end up getting a pullback. It is what it is. Too bad. I tried, but it didn't work out. And that's fine. We'll walk away with a loss. But if we get a nice little bounce here, that's gonna be awesome because that's gonna put me in a really good spot to get funded on my funded account, which is great. Another payday in the next few days with the funding ticks. So I kind of like what I see so far. Let's see if we get a pullback or we get a bounce, guys. I'd love to see a bounce, of course, but it looks kind of wonky here now. Oh my god, look at that. We are getting a little pullback here now. Yeah, I've got 9 contracts, so if this market truly wants to get a bounce, then I think it's good. But if not, then I don't know. Yeah, I've got 10 contracts now. I don't think I can add any more, to be honest, man. As much as I'd love to, I'm like, you know what? What's the point? If we are gonna end up getting a pullback here, then too bad.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god, look at that pullback, guys.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I mean, guys, man, I thought this market's gonna get a bounce a little bit later towards the end of the day. So by getting a nice little bounce early in the day, it's kind of risky, right? Because a lot of the traders are probably gonna take their profits off the table, and then now you start to get a pullback, which I guess that's what's happening right now. But I don't know if that steam is over yet. You know, that's the only thing that I'm kind of thinking about right now. I'm like, maybe this bull run here, a bounce, just doesn't seem like it's over yet. Right, so I'm gonna try to stick to my thesis here and see if I can actually hold this trade. If not, I tried. Too bad. Yeah, if I kind of feel like I'm on the wrong side now, then I'm gonna try and add to my position and try to scale in and quickly try to get out, right? That's the that would be my other idea, but depends. For now, I still haven't given up the thesis that we may get a bounce back up again. At least retest the high before we start to get a pullback, I guess, right? But look at this, man. We are grinding to the downside right here, right now, which isn't good. I hope this isn't going to be the start of a pullback here, which is going to be terrible. God, man, I'm down a lot on this. Not good, guys. Not good. I only have like $1,000 of drawdown now. Yeah, not good, man. Not good at all right now.
Order
Order
I'll be
filled.
honest.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got 20 contracts. I'm down quite a lot. I've only got $700 drawdown, and it keeps getting a pullback here, unfortunately.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it looks weak, man. Ooh. All right, so I'm still patient on this. Trying to see if we can actually get a little bit of a bounce back up again, so I can kind of downsize my position. Yeah, we could start to get some serious pullback, of course, too.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Alright guys, I tried my level best to stay as patient as possibly could. I guess that's kind of like paying off right now. I don't know. We'll see, guys, if we can hold this area now. If we get a nice little push to the upside, if not, then of course then we continue falling back down. But at least I've got 8 contracts here, so I feel a lot more comfortable. Then I was down a lot, right? So I still have like $2,000 now. I built that $2,000 buffer on it. Holy smoke, it's no joke, as everybody. Oh my god. Oh my god. StockTiger. Oh my god. That was a little bit of a heart attack early in the morning, guys. But anyways, I kind of feel like I'm back in control. Not completely, but kind of getting there. We'll see. Maybe we get a nice little squeeze back up, guys. Maybe this funded account is gonna be back to life again. Maybe we get a squeeze back up into the 177, guys. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that, everybody. Nice. Let me just try to take one off the table right now, guys. One off the table. I'm down to 4 now. Sorry, down to 6. I'm gonna try and take one more off the table here.
Order
filled.
I'm down to 5. I'm gonna take one more off, man. Right here.
Order canceled.
Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. I'm still trying to hold, guys. I'm still trying to hold this goddamn contracts. My finger is kind of like, okay, well, no, exit the trade. No, don't exit the trade. I'm kind of like, this price action is kind of wonky, right? So I'm like, okay, well, what am I gonna do now? Well, maybe I should exit this trade. Yeah, it could be. Absolutely, I agree. But I'm trying to hold on to this, man. I'm trying.
Order submitted.
Oh my god, I'm back down again. Jeez, guys. Incredible.
Order canceled.
Incredible wonky. I just get back like $300-400. I'm still in this trade. We'll see, guys. I'm still holding this. Looks weak here. But I'm still holding. I've got 5 contracts now. We'll see. What do you guys see? Hey guys, if I'm adding trading view, you were up $500. Don't be greedy. Yeah, I was up $500. Yeah, I was up $500. I just literally gave back $400, and I could even give back even more if this starts to get a pullback here down, which obviously is the last thing I want to see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I've added some more for a quick snap here, back up. We'll see if we can actually get a little bit of a bounce back up again, guys. And this will be a quick
Order submitted.
quick micro scalp if we can actually get a bounce back into the 130s.
Order.
Order
There we
filled.
go, guys.
Order
There we
filled.
go. There we go, everybody. And down to 4 contracts
Order
now.
canceled.
Yes, we just got like $200 off that trade right there. So let's see, guys, if we get a little bit of extension back up again. Oh my god, man, this market is just so wonky, man. I don't even know what to tell you. I'm trying my level best, but it's like, well,
Order.
let's try
Order
again,
filled.
guys. One more.
Order submitted. Order
I'm gonna try and
submitted.
take 3 off
Order
the table on a
submitted.
quick bounce back up
Order.
again.
Order filled.
There we go. There's another one there. Man, how hard can this really be to get a little bounce back up again? Jeez, guys, incredible.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Oh, just literally give back everything that I got. So, well, at least I'm not in big negative, right? You guys know I was down about I don't know, man. I think I was down like $1,000, over $1,000 on this trade. Looks like we're trying to give back all the gains. All right, so we'll see, guys. I'm still in this trade. The next level of major support is gonna be in that 78. So we still got some ways to go to the downside here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Yeah, it could be in trouble now. $178, that's the last level resort. I mean, if we break underneath that, then I think we go probably end up going back to fill the gap again. I mean, not fill the gap, to the downside at $25,000. Oh my god, that really sucks.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Yeah, I've got 20 contracts now. Oh, I only have 19.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
All right,
Order
guys, I
filled.
exited
Order
that
filled.
trade. I'm like, you know what? Screw this. I'm out. I made what again? I made oh my god. I can't believe that, guys. I made $380 on that trade. All right, you know, I'll take it. Whatever, right? Let's not try to be too greedy. I'll take that. We'll walk away. We'll try to trade something else now. That was definitely not something I wanted to see, but it is what it is, right? Just want to make sure I've exited all my trade here. Overall, no red so far, guys. No red. I kind of like what I see so far. I'm content today. Yeah, not a bad day to not a bad day after all. Now we're finally getting that pullback, right? We're testing that 25,070 area. All right, so here I am. I'm going to be trading this account again now, a different account. We'll see how this thing go now.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna make sure I'm in only 4, max 4, guys, max 4. That's
Order
it.
filled.
Max 4. I went long here, guys, at 83. I'm gonna try to take 2 off the table, back into 100, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
My hard stop here is gonna be in the 60s,
Order
guys. 60.
submitted.
My hard stop,
Order
right
submitted.
up there. 60.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
Alright, guys, I'm
filled.
down to 2
Order
now.
canceled.
I'm down to 2. I'm gonna trail my stop back into the 70s now. It's a slow grind, obviously. Alright, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order filled.
I'm gonna exit that trade. I kind of feel like, we got some more room to the downside, right? I don't know what you guys see. It looks small, yeah, but large enough to blow accounts. Yeah, exactly. Need like $20,000 drawdown? No, I don't need that much. I just need like $50,000 drawdown. Yeah, that's fine. Captain Price, what is going on, man? Tell this Enki to stop joking and stop. Yeah. Oh my god, now we're getting a bounce. Guys, I kind of like what I see so far. We're getting this pattern, and that kind of makes me think we try to see a bounce back up again, guys. Oh my god. As much as I would like to go long, I'm like, oh, just wait. StockTiger, just wait. Just wait for a confirmation. And that would be like a higher low for me. Let's try to see if we can retest this. Oh my god. I still like it to the upside, but again, like, I need some more conviction, right? Because this price action is really like driving people crazy, right? So look, so I'm gonna stay a little patient here, guys. Not a bad day, yeah. I had a lot of good trades, which is great. Yeah, all my accounts are green right now. The only thing is I haven't traded Apex accounts, but all green. Even Take Profit Trader accounts are all green right now. So, and I traded my funded next account as well. I traded the funded next account overnight, I think. So we are getting a nice little bounce here, guys. Maybe I should. Oh man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, look at that. That's a little fake pump and a dump here, right? And this is what I was kind of a little concerned about. I'm gonna stay with 2 micros for now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I've got 4 contracts here. I think we try to push now. Maybe not. I don't know.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'll exit this trade,
Order
man.
filled.
I'm not feeling very comfortable. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced, guys. Yeah, as much as I'd love to. All right, I'll try to
Order
place my limit order
submitted.
though.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Dude 45, what is going on, brother? How is it? How is it
Order
going?
Order
Dude
filled.
45. All right, 1 second, guys. I've got to make a note of something. Wow.
Order
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go long here on a breakout.
order
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went long here with 6 contracts,
order,
guys.
Order canceled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
All right,
Order
guys, exit
filled.
that trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
I went long again. Wow, man, that was a quick move. Wow, look at that fake, man. That was an absolute fake move to the upside. Wow. I don't know, I'm still starting to not like this anymore.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Guys, I'll exit that
Order
trade.
filled.
I made $100, but again, the price action is just too. It looks bullish, but again, there's too much of fakes going on right now, so I've got to be a little cautious here. Whippy Whoppy, exactly. Justin Wright is right. It's Whippy Whoppy. It's difficult, guys. Difficult. But I mean, so far, even with despite the market being very tricky, not bad. You know, I did pretty well. I'll definitely be content today. Not gonna complain at all. Not gonna complain. And I requested a payout with Funded Next as well last night. And I completely forgot about Funded Next. And so I went back in and I was like, you know what? I should be able to request a payout on that one. And I did. And I did that. No, it's $1,500. I had total $3,000 of profit. And looks like you can only request 50% of that. So, and that's a 25K account too. So I'll take it. Oh my god. All right, some more ways to go to the upside, I guess, right? I'm gonna try and I think we try to retest the high 178, guys. I'm gonna try and go long. I know I'm kind of chasing this, but I'm gonna take a stab at this, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh well. Oh my god. I really thought we're gonna retest the high 175, man. Are you real? Or yeah, I still do think we get a bounce back into 178. Yeah.
Order
filled.
You've got to be kidding, man. Seriously. There we go. That's what I thought. Man, I'm just a little late. Ugh. I'm just a little late. I'm always a little late. I don't think the squeeze isn't over yet. Yeah, 178 is my target. Let's see if we get there, guys. Oh my god. What a whippy whoppy, guys, man. I wish I got in like a 150 area. Too late now. What the heck, man? I still think 178, man. I know I chased it, but I really had this conviction of a bounce back into 180, guys. Or maybe get in there right now, guys. Come on. Come on, give it to me, hon. You know you want to get a bounce back into the 180.
Order filled.
You know it. Come on.
Order
I was just
filled.
kind of a little late. That's it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order
All right, guys.
filled.
Oh yeah,
Order
baby.
filled.
Let's go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
I'm out. I'm
filled.
out. Oh my god, man. No, I was like, that could have been an easy, like, you know, $500. I just made it really difficult. I don't know why. Wow, difficult price action, guys. It's really hard to trade this. Damn it, price action, guys. Wow, look at that pullback, man. Oh my god. I really got really lucky there. We got really lucky. That's all I can say. Got really lucky there. That would have been a crazy risky trade. Yeah, it's tough. Tough to trade. Oh my god, what a V-shaped bounce there, man. Incredible.
Order
Order filled.
You know what? I'm gonna use that
Order
trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, we just pierced through that, man. Look at that bounce, guys. Wow. No, I think, you know what? Based on what I see, we may get some kind of a pullback here, maybe. But I think at the end of the day, we could try to retest the 350 now. That's literally about another 200 points move to the upside. I don't know what you guys see. I kind of feel like, you know, we get a bounce back into the 350 area. I'm just not convinced just yet. Wow, what a squeeze, guys. What a squeeze. The squeeze is real. Maybe I want to try to capitalize on this move to the upside, to be honest. But at the same time, I don't want to get chewed by this market, guys, man. You know, we're going to have some big moves up and down, so... I'm really wanting to get into some big trades with my with this funded account, but I'm gonna have to wait a little bit, right? I'll wait for that push down and then we'll try to go long again. Oh my god, man, the squeeze is real, guys, man. This is gonna really squeeze everybody out. The bears. Oh man. Yeah, and if I try to go long now, they're gonna squeeze me all obviously to the downside. Yeah, they're gonna be yeah, this is really not the kind of a day you want to mess with this market. Yeah. We are already up like 0.5%. We are down quite a lot and we are now just literally back up again. Guess what? We are up 600 points. We just literally get I don't understand, guys, man. This market is just so incredibly difficult to trade, right? It's really hard to trade, man. Oh my god. If somebody says it's easy, I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, it sounds easy. We just got like 600 points back up. It sounds easy. It really does sound easy, but it's not. Yeah. Now I could just easily go long here, but the thing is, guess what happened? I went long and I got a pullback, and then we just ripped like 200 points right off the bat. Incredible. I don't know. Let's try to go long here now. Let's see what happens. I think we probably end up getting a pullback here now. If try to go long, oh my god, I hate this.
Order.
I'm long, guys. We'll see now. Watch. Maybe not. Oh, maybe not. I'm not getting a pullback here, guys. I really like this. A bounce back into 330s, man. We could see another 100 points move to the upside. Well, not 100 points, 80 points. Oh my god. Look, see, we are getting a pullback here. Oh man, I really like this.
Order.
All right, I'm long, whatever. I'm long with 4 contracts. If this market truly pulls back now, look, it went up all the way. And now we're gonna pull back because StockTiger is long. Watch. Watch StockTiger get roasted on this trade just because I'm long now. Or maybe it's gonna do something else for today. Maybe today's market's kind of a little more forgiving, maybe, for StockTiger. Who knows? Oh, look, we are getting that pullback. I told you. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Nasty. Oh my god, look. I told you. I told you we are getting that pullback. Wow. Now, let's see, guys. We probably end up getting a pullback into 230s now. See, look at that beautiful pullback. Soon as StockTiger goes long, there we go, guys. We got what we need. Yes, baby, let's go. I want to be down. Oh my god, incredible! I love it. I just love this market sometimes, you know. Oh yeah, let's go, man. Let's keep pulling back here down. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, more pullback. Let's go. Let's go. Another 500 points pullback here. Let's go, baby. Come on. Give me that pullback, everybody. Give me that pullback here down. I need more pullback here for sure. Come on. I need another 500 points pullback here. I love it. I love it, man. But that was a pretty nasty pullback, hey? I wonder if that pullback is gonna be like, yeah, I still like it to the upside, but again, we're hitting this new candle bar on our 30 minutes chart, so that really has to give me a little bit of a bullish signal, right? I need to see one more pop here back into 260s to kind of feel a lot more bullish for another leg to the upside here, back into the 330s. But if not, then I think I'm gonna get chewed here. Very easy we could get a pullback into 200, maybe pull back into 180. Fuck me, man. That's what happens when you kind of try to chase this market. You're like down. Oh my god, I can hate this sometimes. Look, I'm freaking done. I'm so mad. This is what I was kind of talking about, right? I was looking for that one more push here back in 280, and this is what I get. And now I'm kind of stuck in this trade now. I mean, yeah, overall, I'm still very bullish, right? For now. But again, like, it pissed me off the fact that I told you guys, man, try to go long. That's when you're going to start to get a pullback. Look at this wonky. God, I hate this sometimes. You know what I mean? I hate it sometimes so bad. It's not even funny. All right, I'm down now. $100. I'm gonna hold this, guys, man. I think overall, from a grand scheme of things, I've only got 4 contracts, so I think I should be able to hold this. Keep pulling back. Come on. I need another $2,000, 2,000 points pullback here, guys. Another 2,000 points pullback. I'd love to see that happen. Come on, another 2,000 points pullback here. Let's go, baby. Bring it on, baby. Bring it on to me right now. Yeah. I'm a bit, man, I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling hot, the heat. Spy hit your target. What coffee are you drinking? I'm drinking my dark roast black coffee. It's really good. This is my second coffee of the day. I started a little early today. Yeah. I think this is it though. Anything beyond second coffee, I'm like, not gonna be good. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely frustrated, of course. I told you guys, man. As soon as well, maybe it's my fault because, well, not my fault, I was looking for that 5 points bounce or 10 points bounce. You had all this move to the upside, and finally StockTiger goes up, goes into a trade, and you start to get a pullback. Is this a coincidence? And I was looking for 10 points. 10 points, move back into 280, and then I'll exit my trade there. I'm really lucky that I did not expose myself with a lot of contract size, right? Now let's see, guys. We may try to pull back here into the 180. I'm here. I'm still holding this trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I think now that we got a pullback, I don't know, we could see a pullback deeper into the 180 now if we end up not holding this area, right? I may even end up exiting my trade too, for all you know, to be honest. We'll see. Yeah, I just freaking hate the fact that, you know, even though I was looking for that bounce, at least only back into the 180, I enter and then I'm like, the market starts to pull back. You know, that's what really frustrates me sometimes. But so we really have to see a break out of this zone now, right? We'll have to wait and see. Yeah, the bears are kind of stuck, but who knows? Bears may even get a chance to kind of wait till they see start to see a pullback here down. But yeah, this market is definitely very extremely bullish, right? I mean, we did not, like, it's not a coincidence that we actually got a huge bounce. This could be a little bit of a dead cat pullback here, right? And then we get a nice little bounce. We'll see.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I really did not want to get over 10 micro contracts today, especially on this trade right now. So even though I want to keep adding, I don't want to be doing that. I'm gonna stay a little patient because this market, if this market is truly bullish, now we're gonna anyway see this market get back into the 340s, right? So it means we're kind of like over 100 points away from where we are now. So I still have a lot of room to make a lot of profits, right? If I truly believe that we get a bounce back into 330, which I think it is, so then I can just keep holding, right? Instead of trying to average down and really try to expose myself just in case we get a deeper pullback. I don't want to be doing that. So let's try to be a little smart about what we do now. Especially I'm trading a funded account. So yeah, we may chop, try to get a deeper pullback, maybe, I don't know. But if you do that, I'm not gonna add to my position because I don't wanna get squeezed, right? I want to feel a little more comfortable on a pullback here. And in order to do that, I've got to make sure I'm on the right size. And I kind of feel like maybe 5 to 10 contracts could be kind of like my right size positioning that I feel comfortable kind of holding, as long as I kind of truly believe that we're going to get a bounce back in this market now. All right, so I've got 7 contracts. Is it 7 contracts? I've got 7 contracts, yeah. I mean, we could just see a pullback here, up, down, for all you know. But I think at the end of the day, maybe we try to get a bounce before we get to the power hour even. I don't know. Say you, say me. Yeah, I'm still in a trade. I've got 7 micro contracts here. My average here at 240, and we're kind of like hovering in that 236. We got a nice, beautiful bounce off that 209. Now it's like 30 points away from my entry, and now we are getting a bounce back up again, and we are backing green again, guys. Holy mochaccino, this is real. I'm here holding this trade, guys. I am gonna hold this. I'm gonna be looking for a retest of the high at 268. Let's see, guys. If we get a bounce, that's great. If not, then well, I'm still gonna hold this. We'll see. We'll see, y'all. I hope you all having a great day so far, guys. I took a payout yesterday, last night. Of course, I did not trade, but I just got a payout because I did not realize that I was eligible to get a payout on my funded next. So I took my $1,500 last night and I took it, which is great. And now it's looking even better. Yeah, now I'm sitting at $22,000, man. Ever getting closer to my target. We'll see. Now it really boils down to how this trade is going to be. We are getting a bit of rejection there to 60, getting a little pullback, but yeah, we just literally get back all the gains so far. We'll see. We just got a 20 points pullback here now. But I kind of like the 1 hour chart. Sorry, this is not 1 hour chart. This is a 30 minutes chart. I really kind of like it, right? For a bounce back into 330 area, which is not really too far off, right? We could probably end up getting there. Let's try to see if I can actually.
Submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm still holding 7 contracts. I'm still holding, guys. I know it's tough to kind of hold at this level, I'll be honest. It's really hard, but I'm gonna hold it, guys. I'm gonna try and believe in my thesis now and see if we can actually retest the high and we get a squeeze back into the 320s, guys. My final take profit probably in that 300 area. We'll see.
Order.
Nice. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go, baby. I need my profit. I want to take one more off the table really quickly here if I can. Oh well, we'll see. I'm down to 6 contracts now, guys. We'll see. I'm gonna patiently trade this. Patiently wait and trade. It almost kind of feels like a swing trade now at this point. Swing trading within intraday. This is what it is. Oh yeah, baby, it's getting there. We retested the high at 268, got a rejection of that level. Let's see if we can try to retest that area again. Oh man, that's a big fat rejection there. Ooh, my. Ooh. I'm down. I'm red again. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna let this play out, man. So this is almost kind of feel like a swing trade now at this point, really. I'm swing trading. I'm down. Overall, I'm down on this trade. Maybe I should have taken that profit right at the top there. I thought we were gonna get an extension move right away. God, man, there's too many fakes, man. Maybe not a good idea to kind of like try to be cute with this market right at this level. We may kind of chop a lot of fakes up and down. And then when everybody kind of goes, okay, well, I do not want to do anything about this market, and that's when maybe we get a squeeze. Yeah, it looks dumpy now, man. We just cracked underneath a very important level. Oh my god. We'll see. We could get a fierce move back up again, for all you know. Retesting the low here at 211 now. Yeah. Looks like we may try to get back here. God, I hate this drawing on try to evade. That's the only thing that I don't like about try to evade is that, right, we could see this thing pull back here into the 190. And then maybe try to get a bounce back from there, I guess. If it truly wants to get a pullback here now. Or we kind of hold this area. Right? Or just hold it right now. Alright, there we go. We are getting that rejection there. Getting a pullback here. Oh my god. I'm down. Literally down. Okay. What a rough market, guys. This is incredible. Definitely frustrated with this price action that we are kind of witnessing. But I've got to stay patient, right?
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I've got 10 contracts here again. We'll see. Fuck. Wow, what a difficult day. Too much of whips, right? Up and down, both direction, guys, man. And it's a big swing as well. I could be knocked out on this finally now. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order canceled. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
All right, guys.
canceled.
Oh, okay. So I'm back. Back in green. We made $600 so far. I'll take that. I'm gonna take one more off table. Down to 2 contracts, guys. Make $600 on this trade, which could have been a lot worse. Yeah, I wouldn't have to agree,
Order
guys. Got a
canceled.
little lucky there, but also got a little unlucky too, right? It's just a little bit of a bad decision, if you will. Like, I should have kind of expected that we are going to get a retest of the high, but also at the same time get a rejection of that 268. But I was looking for that extended move to the upside right off the bat, which is kind of like risky, right? We're gonna try to attempt to push through that initial high, but then you could also get a rejection of that level too, which I should have thought about it, right? And I didn't do that. So at the end of the day, it's my fault for kind of being too cute with this market, trying to see that, oh yeah, we're gonna guarantee get a push nice little up to the upside, even though I was looking for that quick move back into 280. But the risk reward, I think I did not calculate, so that's my bad, you know. And then we obviously ended up getting a pullback all the way back down to 180. But at least something that I've done really nice is that I've downsized my position, right? I was only with 4 micro, so I was kind of like able to add to my losing trade and scale down, right? And then eventually find my way in getting a nice little average cost and see this market bounce back up again, and I'm back in the green. I'm long right now. I'm long with 2 micro. I'm long with 2 micros, guys. 2 micros. And so that was something to take away today is that I did not take a look at the retest. Right, we try to retest the 280, 268, but then we obviously got a rejection. I should have waited for another retest, right? And a complete breakout of this area would have been a nice place to kind of enter along. But I went long, thinking we're just gonna break out of this area, which is obviously a bad sort of a call. But at the same time, I did not oversize. So because of that, I was able to hold on to my trade for a little longer, even though we're kind of down, and we actually ended up getting a pullback over 100 points, guys. Over 100 points pullback right from the top to the bottom here. But then I was still able to stay in this trade because I was only with 4 micro, and then obviously I ended up averaging down, and that kind of put me in a really good spot. And we got to squeeze back up again, and I'm back in profit over $600. Which is fantastic. This is gonna be another big payout, right? This is another big payout from funding ticks. I love you guys. Mucho. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. So there we are, guys. We are. I'm down to 2 contracts. I'm not going to be looking for a bounce back with these 2 contracts, guys. It was a tough one, but we're hanging on there. We are there. We try to stay calm, and that's what we get. You know, when you try to stay calm and truly believe in your thesis. I still thought we were going to get a bounce, but looks like we are going to retest that again. And this thing could go pretty quickly as well, for all you know. So I'm going to hold on to this, guys. I've got my stop here at 212. We'll see how this thing moves right now. Thank you, everybody, once again for being here this morning. Love you guys. It was, yeah, all green today. No red. All green. All green. And yeah, I've got some more payouts. That is on the way. I may be requesting another $10,000 from Apex alone, so we'll see. And we'll see how it goes. Right? Lots of fun stuff going on right now. The only thing that makes me feel a little sad is that I lost my Take Profit Trader Pro accounts, which obviously is the accounts that's giving me the daily payouts, but it's not there anymore with me. But on a good side, on a good note, these accounts are building. Right, so I've got 5 accounts right now, and that's pretty close to passing, if you will. So we'll get there at some point. Just gotta be a little patient, I guess, right? And we'll get there. And things are looking pretty sharp here with my other accounts too. My Apex, I haven't traded this Apex accounts just yet, but look at this Apex accounts, guys. And this is like, wow, this is like gold. You know what I mean? Like, this is like easily Apex alone. It's like 10,000, 15, 20. I've got 25, a little less than $25,000 of profit on just 5 accounts. That's crazy. It's really crazy to think about.
Order
filled.
I guess I'm down to 1 now. You know what?
Canceled.
We're down to 1. I think I'll be okay with $600 for today on this account, right? Actually, you know what? I'm going to exit this trade now. All right, I exited that trade for $600 of profit. That puts me well over $2,500 in total profit, which is great. That's going to be my another payout coming in, and I should be able to request a decent payout on that one. It's $2,500 in total, so 25 times 60%. Yeah, I should be able to request like, oh my god, we are getting a squeeze now. Yeah, that I should be able to request like $1,500 on that, because that's 60% of the profit you can request, up to $5,000. So I think I'll be okay with that today on this account. I don't want to be too greedy now. I've been up like $600, $500 on this account of like twice, actually 3 times today. And I kept giving back, and then it's finally we are back $600, and I'm taking that profit. I'm not giving that back for sure now. Oh, that was a tough one. So I think I'm done with oh yeah, you know, I still have to trade this. Yeah, I've got to still trade this bad boy. I'd like to pass this one. All right, so I still have some few trades I've got to make. I was long. I just exited all my trades. I've got no open positions now. Yeah, I'm grateful now. This would have been a lot worse. I'm happy. Yeah, this would have turned into a pretty bad trade after all, but it was okay. We'll take it. Where did ProFast Guy go? Is ProFast Guy here? Every time I go to gym, I kind of think about ProFast Guy, but he's not there anymore. I don't know what happened. ProFast Guy just disappeared. ProFast Guy is not there anymore. All right, we're getting a little pullback here now, which is great. Give me that little pullback here so I can actually try to load in again on the long side. Oh, you guys want to do a giveaway today? Now? All right, guys, let's do a giveaway, everybody. How about that, everybody? Yeah, let's go, man. All right, 1 second, guys. Let's do a giveaway. I'm gonna have to think about what giveaway. Let's go, guys. What account though? What account? 1 second, guys. Oh, by the way, I've got to transfer my funds from Rice Pay. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Guys, don't forget to smack the like. All right, we will do the giveaway, but we gotta get the likes as well, right? So. I think we could easily do this. Yeah, 1 second, guys. I'm trying to where's my 1 sec, everybody. I'm trying to request a payout. One second. With what? All right, guys. I'm just about to start the giveaway. All right, guys. That's the Funded Futures Network giveaway. We'll do it. Sorry, it's not 150 likes. So hold on 1 second, guys. We'll call out the winner at 100 likes, guys. All right. All right, let's go, guys. Yeah, I want to quickly call out the winners, so let's get the likes as well, guys. Back into the 100 and above. So it's Friday morning, guys. Be careful, you guys are trading today. Be safe, because today is really not the kind of a day you want to blow up your accounts, right? So just be careful, trade safe, everybody, if you guys are trading, because you want to have a great weekend, right? But in order to do that, you got to be safe today, right? Don't blow any accounts today, guys. I haven't blown any accounts today. You guys see, all my trades are already green. All my funding ticks accounts are green. My funded next accounts are green. Take profit trader accounts are all green. The only thing that I haven't done today is trade Apex accounts. So we'll see. I may try to trade this a little bit later today. Let's see how it goes. For now, this market's trying to get a bounce, so oh my god, taking another payout just to the right. I love you, man. Yes, let's go, just to the right. I like that, man. You know what, I'm not in that daily payout camp anymore, but you know what, to hear my fellow traders just in right taking daily payouts again tonight make me feel so good, much more than me taking a daily payouts, guys. Awesome, I swear to god, man. Justin Wright, congrats, man. Congrats to you. Awesome. Great to hear that, brother. I love it. I don't know, man, I just love it. Justin Wright is the champion. Oh yeah. Anyways, I got a little excited there, guys. I'm sorry. One second, I'll be right. Just don't forget to smack the like, guys, everybody. I'll be right back.
Order.
Order filled.
We completely broke out, guys. I'm trying to go long right now. I'm looking for that quick, maybe, I don't know. What?
Order.
Order filled.
Target 300 area.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order 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 filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order
Alright
filled.
guys, I exited that trade with a little over $300 of profit on that trade alone. I'm just gonna look for a little pullback down now.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm micro scalping
Order
right now as you
filled.
speak, guys. I'm micro scalping.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order
Order
filled.
filled. Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm trying. I just need I just need $300 on this trade, but I don't know. I kind of feel like we're in that accumulation, if you will. Like they're trying to grab more liquidity in this zone to make a move, either back down. This almost kind of feels like this, right? Where we had something like this, so we could see some kind of a pullback into the EMA here, back into 270 will be a nice little support there in that range. So let's see if we can actually do that now.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'd like to see this thing pull back here into the 270s.
Order submitted.
We'll see how it goes, guys. I'm really trying to be patient, of course, as you guys can see.
Order filled.
Oh, what the heck? Alright, so we are getting some kind of a pullback here. Let's see if we can actually hold. I've got one contract now, so one micro. I'm really trying to play a scale-in game today. I'm not trying to chase this at all.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
All right, guys. I got 3 contracts now in this trade. We got a little bit of an indecisive doji candle on a 30-minute chart. And that makes me kind of believe that we may try to accumulate more liquidity in this area. Try to either splash down or get a bounce back up again. But we just went up too fast, too quick, right? So maybe some kind of a pullback is definitely due. But this market is really too strong right now, though. Really, really strong. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and scale
Order
in
filled.
to my long position here.
Order
Order filled.
order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Oh
Order
my
submitted.
god.
Order
You've got to be
submitted.
kidding, guys.
Order submitted. Order submit. Connection. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I just need like 4 points bounce.
Order
There we go,
filled,
guys.
filled.
We're getting that bounce. Let's see if we can actually get a little more.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh my god, how hard can this be, guys? Holy mochaccino. Just a little more, man. We're not getting that? Incredible.
Order
Just
submitted.
a little more.
Order
I know you want to
submitted.
get a bounce. I see that.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just 5
Order
points more.
filled.
Let's go, man. Oh my god. Woo! This can't get any more nasty than this.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
What a nasty price action so far we're getting right now, guys. Incredible. Incredible doji on a 1 hour chart. Yeah, I still need a bounce back up, guys, man. At least into the 275, bare minimum. And then I'm okay
Order
to kind of...
submitted. Order submitted.
Oh my god.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. I'm just barely break even now. Even after
Order
this move.
canceled.
Incredible,
Order
guys.
canceled.
This chop is real. Yeah, I've got 5 contracts in this trade, but it's, I don't know what the heck this market is trying to do. Man, how hard can it be to get to another few $100 points? It's not easy. Yeah, I'm trying, but But again, on a 1 hour chart, we got a doji candle, right? So this market hasn't decided what it really wants to do. So
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I think we're gonna chop here in this range. We could, yeah.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, this market really hasn't decided what it wants to do, right? So we could end up getting a pullback too.
Order canceled.
Oh, maybe getting a breakout, guys. Maybe getting a little breakout, which is great.
Order
Filled.
filled.
I'm down to 2 contracts. Oh my god, it's been so difficult to get a few $100.
Order
Filled.
filled.
All right,
Order
exited that
filled.
trade. I exited that trade. Yeah, I just need $100, man. I just can't do that. Maybe I'll try to do that with the. Yeah, this market really hasn't decided what it wants to do. Sorry, guys. I've got a guest here. 1 second. I'm gonna introduce you to the most beautiful guest ever in the house. Just kidding. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah, that was my dog. Yeah, you're right. How did you know that? Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. We got our giveaway happening here today, this morning. And I want to quickly get that done as well so I can move on to my trades. We are getting a little pullback here, guys, which is great. What if I try to short this bad boy right now? What would happen if I do that?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Guys, I'm with 1 minute contract, man. 1 minute contract. 1 minute contract. I'm really looking for the quick down so I can get my few $100 I need. I thought maybe I could do that with the mini contract, but of course, you guys know we get a bounce because StockTiger is trying to short this market now. So, or maybe I get a little lucky. I don't know. We'll find out, guys. Maybe. Oh my God! Look at that. Jeez. Maybe I'm screwed on this. I don't know. We'll see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order filled.
Filled.
All right, there you go. Oh man, I still need money.
Order
Order
filled.
All right, I still need some money.
Order submitted.
I need some money
Order
Order
filled.
in the
filled.
honey. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, 1 second, guys. I need like $80 more. All right. It's been the most difficult thing to get $100 in this my
Order
trade.
filled.
Order filled.
Order
All
filled.
right, guys, I'm long here with 3 contracts, 3 micro.
Order submitted.
Let's see, guys.
Order
I'm gonna try and
submitted.
scale into this
Order
trade, bad
submitted.
boy.
Order
Filled.
filled.
Yeah, I want to pass this
Order.
right
Order
now.
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I hope I don't get screwed on this.
Order.
Order
Oh my
filled.
god, man. It just pierced through all my entries. It's gonna be crazy to think that I'm gonna lose this account. Yeah, I know. It's for sure. I'm just going back and forth. I was using I'm using 200 tick chart for now. I'm using 200 tick chart. Yeah, I don't know. We may get a bounce here, for all you know. I'm gonna try and take my profits here along the way.
Order submitted. Order
If we end up getting a
submitted.
bounce, which I highly doubt, but again, I haven't given up on this. Oh my god, this could be another leg to the downside, right? I've seen this plenty of times over and over again. So we better really get a bounce. If truly wants to get a bounce, that is, right? We better get above this 249 now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god, look at that mochaccino rejection there. Oh my god.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ah. That's a big fat rejection. I'm down. Oh my god, man. Guys, this is unreal.
Order filled.
StockTiger in a losing trade.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
It's not losing until I actually close this trade. Let's try to see if I can
Order.
actually continue this
filled.
winning streak here all the
Order.
way.
Order filled.
Order
You've got to be
submitted.
kidding, guys, man. Give me a little bounce, man. You can't be doing that to me right now, today, at this time of the day. Oh my. This could be it. The steam, the luck stream, not stream, luck steam is coming to an end, I guess. We still have a chance. We still have a little chance. I still haven't given up on this. Oh my, look at that pierce through. Come on, just give me that little thing, baby.
Order submitted. Order.
Oh my
Order
god.
filled.
Holy mochaccino,
Order
guys.
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, there we go.
Order
I got what I
submitted.
need. I just need a few more dollars now. Come on, one more pierce through and then it's it. Thank you so
Order
mucho.
filled.
Order.
All right,
Order
thank you,
filled.
thank you, thank you.
Order.
Thank
Order
you.
filled.
And one more.
Order.
And then
Order
thank you
filled.
and one more. And there's gonna be my last thank you to the trade. Thank you so
Order.
much.
Order
Okay,
filled.
thank you so much. Now I passed this bad boy. Holy mochaccino. That was unreal. Incredible. That was one of the toughest one to kind of hold. Oh my god. All right, hey, at the end of the day, I don't have any losing trades so far, so that was good. That was good. No losing trade. All green, guys. You saw it. All green, everybody. All green. Everything is rosy today. It's all green, right? Just the trees are not green anymore because it's winter now. Don't forget, we live in Canada, right? It's everything's snowing. Everything's cold. There's no. The trees are not green anymore. Just my trades are green, which is fine. I'll take it. Right? Carl Reston, this guy is just for YOLO luck. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, man. I love you, brother. I love you so much. No trading, learn. Hell yeah. No trading. You're not here to learn. You're not here to learn, brother. I'm not selling your courses. Probably, yeah. Hey, look, if you cannot constantly get luck, right? There's no way in the world that you're gonna keep getting luck all day. How the hell do you get luck all day? Like, why don't you try to get luck all day? Like, let's try that, right? Right? It's not easy to get luck all day. You gotta get some kind of a conviction, confluence. You gotta have your trade idea. I'm looking at the right hand side on this chart, and I'm kind of going, okay, well, this market's still bullish. So I'm getting into this trade thinking we're gonna get a bounce, because on the right hand side on this chart tells me that we're still very bullish, and we're looking at the spot levels, we're looking at the resistance levels, and I kept saying that we're gonna try to get a bounce back into 340. And if you keep telling me I got lucky, it's okay, I got lucky, but you know what, I'm getting lucky because, you know, at the end of the day, I have a conviction it's gonna go to my direction. And that's what you're adding to your position, you know what I mean? And it's fine. If I get luck, that's good. I'm making look, I'm getting payouts, I'm getting winning trades. There's no red trades. Take a look. I have no red trades today. No red trades. All my trades are green, right? I'm showing it to you right now. All my trades are green. I have no red today. And I had no trades like that's red, literally, right? So did I get luck like throughout the entire process? That's weird. Now you can go fucking shut the fuck up. All right, 74 likes. We got a few more likes. We gotta go, guys. Let's get the likes to 100, and we will get this giveaway going right now, guys. All right, we are kind of like chopping in this range. I still don't think it's the bulls. The bounce isn't over yet, in my opinion. I kind of feel like this could be a little bit of a descending wedge. It kind of makes me feel like, you know, we get a bounce in the leg to the upside, right? We'll see. TopStep has a stat about how many traders cannot get a payout. It's scary. Yeah, it is. Yeah. TopStep stat video is on YouTube. Really? Let's take a look at the video. I would love to see that video. Yeah, for sure. We gotta get everybody be profitable, right? We gotta get everybody profitable, and that's the bottom line of the story. And people I care and I love. I love to see everybody, not just on this YouTube chat, but I mean on our Discord as well. Everybody go green and be profitable at some point, right? And that's the ultimate goal. Tiger, don't let the trolls get under your skin. I know, man. I know. Yeah, it got me a little bit right now this morning. Because I came on live this morning to have some fun, you know what I mean? I'm here to have some fun with my fellow traders, right? This morning, I wasn't trying to show off my trades. I wasn't trying to, you know, like show my greens. It wasn't like the whole intention, the purpose was to kind of like have fun. And then all of a sudden we got some guy come in and say you got lucky. Oh well, which is fine. I mean, yeah, I do get luck a lot of times, but all right, so far we're kind of still lower high descending wedge here pattern. I do think at some point we break out. Oh my god, we are getting that breakout, guys. Are we going to break out now? Are we? Look, take a look. Let's take a look at this, guys. We got a nice beautiful rejection there, but the rejection, right, was kind of short-lived, right? So I kind of feel like we still get a bounce unless, look, all of these, right? So, and it's not of a deeper pullback that we actually ended up getting. So unless we crack underneath, obviously a very important key level, that's 200 area. I think unless we pull back here into 200, I think we still get a bounce and crawl back up again. Yeah, I think 200. Actually, 200 to 220, probably that area, right? So yeah, in this area. So all right, let's see what happens. Let's see if yeah, so on my funded accounts, I've made a profit I need. Again, I'm gonna be requesting another payout on Sunday, so that's good. So I think I'm done with funding ticks now, right? I'm gonna have to move on to something else. I'm done with the take profit trader as well, I think. Yeah, I really think I made some profits on the accounts that really matter, so I don't think I want to be trading take profit anymore. We'll move on to something else. Yeah, I've got to trade Apex now. Oh man, Apex is what scares me, of course. These are accounts that really matters, right, at the end of the day, because these are gonna be the ones that's gonna pay me, right? So these are the ones that's gonna pay me. So we're kind of like in that chop area now, so we're gonna have to wait and see. Either we get a nice little breakout and I can kind of hop on along here, or we've got some more pullbacks to do. Trader Cat, what is up, man? Kick them out. Oh, Sergio. Yeah, no, that's fine. No, we don't have to kick anybody out. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Sorry, guys, I got a little mad, but that's fine. My apologies. I think I'm gonna be okay as soon as I have my coffee, another coffee here. All right, so can we do the giveaway now? Yeah, I mean, I've got to think about copy trading, because I don't think I can just keep trading like all one by one. I can't do that. I don't know for how long I can actually sustain doing trading all these accounts one by one, really, to be honest. There's only so much you can actually get out of this market, right? So at some point, I think I'm going to have to start thinking about I'm going to have to think about copy trading. If I can copy trade like 3 accounts at a time, and that's going to be like 1/3 of the problem kind of fixed, right? So, hey, Treat Trader, what is up, man? How's your day going so far? Yeah. Pine Tree Trader is the #1 day trader on YouTube. Yeah. Nate, does not matter how we get a payout as long as it's repeatable. Yeah, exactly. Well, it does matter how we get to a payout, but I mean, at the end of the day, if we keep getting payouts, that's good, right? It's good. So far, I banked $22,000. $22,000 already banked, and I spend the least right now. So far, I spent like $1,200. $1,200 so far for the month of November. That's the least I've spent in a while, and I'm waiting to kind of spend a big chunk for the Black Friday. I don't know what kind of offers you're gonna get though. Yeah, me personally, I'd like to see what it called again. I'd like to see Lucid and Tradify come up with some better, stronger offer. I just gotta feel like their 40% is not as, I would say, it's not as sexy, you know what I mean? Like, come on, like, let's try to step up a little bit. Let's get to maybe 50% off. I think that's gonna be really beautiful if you can do that. And if Take Profit Trader, of course, come up with something else as well, that's great. But you know what? I'm okay with Take Profit Trader at 40% off. I'm not gonna complain about that offer. I think that offer is fine as long as we continue doing that, right? Yeah, we'll see. All right, so we got a rejection of that level now, 258. So we're pulling back a little bit. Now I kind of feel like this market's a little exhausted, right? So we may kind of chop around in this range for a little while, I guess. How to enter a giveaway? You have to type in, you have to do this. I'm gonna type in myself to get my ticket too. MRC trades, what is going on, man? Copy trading just helps you scale once you're confident in your setup for sure. Yeah, I'm just not been good with copy trading. I'll be very honest. I've just been so bad. Sometimes I try, but then it's just, yeah, I just don't mentally feel okay every time I get into a copy trading mode. So it's gonna be a little difficult. I'll try though, because I have to at some point get to copy trading, because if I don't, then there's no way for me to kind of expand my portfolio, you know what I mean? Like, I want to get to the next level in a way, obviously not just from you know, just getting better at trading, but from a payout standpoint as well. I would like to get to the next level too, but in order to do that, I'm gonna have to start to get to copy trading. And it doesn't have to be like 4 or 5 accounts at a time, right? Just maybe 2 or 3. 2 or 3 is fine. It is mentally exhausting. Yeah, MRC trades, man. I totally agree. That's the problem, right? By the time I'm done trading and the day's over, I'm a little tired. You know what I mean? I can feel that myself. I can, even though I'm not like, you know, sometimes I get into a trade and I leave it there. You know what I mean? And I come back like a few hours later, I'm either I'm in green, big green, or I'm in big red. And then I add to my losing trade. And then, you know, 30% of the time I would lose that account, but 70% of the time I would win that trade, because I kind of feel like it could reverse back up again. And so I'm adding to my losing trade, and then it pierces through that, and then I'm back in green, right? In a lot of cases, probably about 70 to 80% of the time, but Edgar is here in the house, man. Woo, baby. Oh yeah, like I wonder if Alfred is actually copy trading. I don't think Alfred copy trades, but I don't know. Oh my god, born to win, Jay. You passed those funding ticks? Yeah, I passed 2 right now this morning while I was trading during the stream. You got me a code. Oh, thanks, brother. Thank you for using my code too. And by the way, guys, thank you everybody for using my code, by the way. I don't usually call out to use my code, but I mean, I thank you everybody for voluntarily supporting StockTiger in the stream, and I thank you guys. Oh, that's pretty smart, Alfred. I think copy trading evals, but not funded accounts. Maybe I should start doing that. Maybe that's probably a good idea. Yeah, MVP Mickey. Yeah, Alfred does not copy trade $2 million account. Yeah, well, he's got a pro account, pro plus accounts, right? I wish I could get to the pro plus, man. You know, we tried twice, but they could not move me to pro plus, man. Because I don't live on Earth, right? I live in a different planet, so I'm just not one of you. Full futures, what is going on, brother? What is up? All right, guys. All right, time to get to some trades. I'm feeling a little nervous to trade the Apex accounts, to be honest, but we'll give it a try. We'll give it a try, guys. For now, we don't really have much movement. I'm gonna try and move back to the 30 minutes chart here on the right hand side, And I'm kind of going, okay, well, it looks a little exhausted, right? As you guys can see, we try to push, but then now we kind of hit the ceiling here at 293, and we are getting that bit of a consolidation range bound. Maybe we try to play in this range until we get to the power hour, and maybe try to squeeze back up again. So this is what I was kind of thinking, right? So I'm on a 30-minute chart right now. And maybe I'm kind of thinking we have a little bit of a descending wedge, right? Kind of play out. Right? And we could see this thing pull back here all the way down to the 190 area, I would say. Or 190 to 179, right? And then we try to pierce back up again. Right? I like that idea. Right? Maybe another push down. Oh my God. And then we, oh shoot, my God, incredible. Oh my God, look at this. Right? I think this is what it may try to do. Right? But again, we have to hold this 168 at most, I think. Yeah, 160, I would say. Yeah, I would say this area here. So this is what I'm going to be kind of looking for, right? Yeah, so that's the thing, right? We've got to, we may end up getting a little push down, but then the push down, we're going to have to hold this 160, 170 zone. And if we can't do that, then I think we see a continuation of a pullback down, I guess, right? And then maybe get a last minute squeeze towards the end of the day. All right, so I'm going to try and short the bounce, guys, for now. I'm going to short the bounce on a short-term time frame. Right? Let's see, guys. One is better than none. That's right. Oh, Alfred had two, but got stubborn yesterday and lost one. If I copy traded, that would have all gone. Yeah, that's true too. Yeah. Yesterday was definitely a difficult day to trade in the morning, for sure, man. I kind of got, well, I lost two accounts, right? And I lost two accounts that really mattered. I was waiting for a payout on Apex account. God, I can't believe I traded that account. I completely forgot that I was actually waiting for some payout approval, you know. Sadly, that was the account I traded and I blew that account. I had $4,000 of profit on that. Sad. And of course, I ended up losing my Tech Profit Trader Pro account as well. And that did not take a very long time, by the way. Yeah, that did not really take a lot of time. I don't know if you guys are trading gold. Are you guys trading gold, anybody? I wonder what the gold's doing. Well, the gold's kind of choppy. Wow. I thought we were going to get a big dump last night. Actually, did we? We actually got a big dump last night, wasn't it? Oh, yeah. Overnight was just a killer, guys, man. Look at this. Oh, my God. It would have been really nice if we ended up shorting this gold all the way back down to the 400s, man. Oh, dear. It would have been super duper, right? The best thing to kind of short this gold. I was thinking about it, but then I said, you know what? No, I don't want to do anything with gold. Too bad I wasn't there. So we are getting that pullback here. We're back to 180 now. We're not so far off from that 170 area that we just talked about, so.
Connection lost. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
So guys,
filled.
I went long here, looking for a little bounce back into the 190 area.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice, nice guys, nice,
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
nice.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order
All
filled.
right. Yeah, I'm not gonna
Order
try and
filled.
look for big profits here on my Apex accounts. I'm just gonna go for a little slow base hits. Well, looks like we're getting a bounce, guys. I'm gonna try and hold on to
Order
this.
filled.
I'm gonna add some more. No, actually, you know what? I
Order
exited that trade.
filled.
I exited that trade, guys.
Order.
Order filled.
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 I've added some more, guys. Oh, nice, man.
Orders-
Nice.
orders
Let's go.
submitted.
Ah. You've got to be kidding, man.
Order.
Order
I've
filled.
added some more.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Nice, nice. Keep pushing. Come on. One last push back into 225 area. Final take profit in that area now. That's a nasty rejection there.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I kind of like the idea of a bounce back.
Order submitted.
I still do. I'm holding, guys. I've got 8 contracts now.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Yeah, I know. Hey, that 160, 170 bounced off that level pretty nicely. So, but now the thing is, we gotta hold this area, right? If we don't, then I think we try to retest the low here. I'm still in a trade, but I'm looking for a bounce back into 230 at least, right? We'll see if we get it, guys. I'm long here. I'm gonna try and believe in that, and maybe a little bit of a squeeze back up again, break
Order
out.
filled.
I'm down to 3 contracts now, guys. It's not bad.
Order filled.
All right,
Order
I'll exit that
filled.
trade
Order
right now.
filled.
I'll exit that trade. I've got 3, well, a little less than $400. I'll take that. Now, let's try to look for some more trades again.
Order submitted.
Right.
Order submit. Order filled.
Order filled.
Submitted. Order submitted.
All right, my order actually just got filled. Oh, by the way, I've gotta take care of somebody's giveaway as well.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 2 contracts now. Let's see if we get a little pullback down. Yeah. Lucid, you bought an account this morning, passed it, and now trading the fund. Oh my god, MVP, man. I don't know. I mean, I'm definitely finding it difficult to trade Lucid accounts. I don't know why. I think that you know, that, what do you call this again? That DLL is kind of getting into me, right? I'm really annoying sometimes, but
Order filled.
all right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. I'm down, not quite as much. I'm okay with this pullback here. All right, guys, let's don't forget to smack the like, everybody, and let's get this going. Sculpture, yeah. Hey, that's what happens, man. It doesn't really take a long time to grow your hair too, right? It's that's a lot of hair. Holy man. Wow. All right. This is gonna be my last trade of the day, by the way, guys. We are picking up the steam here. Getting a little pullback here too. Let's see how deep of a pullback we kind of get. We really have to hold this. Like I said again, we may retest this low, and we actually did that right now. We are trying to hold. Let's see, guys. I think we break here underneath this, and maybe try to get a slingshot bounce back up again, right? And if we get a pullback here, it's gonna be pretty quick.
Order canceled.
Does Lucid have a consistency rule once you pass? Yes, I think they're 35 or 40%. I cannot remember exactly how much it was, but 35 to 40% is the yo. Let's see. I'm not gonna try and add to my position here. Not just yet. Not just yet. Maybe a little deeper. I'll pull back down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Now the problem is this could be setting up for a resistance now. Is that what it is? Then we have a little problem, I guess, but
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
yeah, I don't think I can add anymore, guys. It's this is it. If we get a pullback here, I'll probably end up exiting this trade. We'll see. Yeah, I mean, if we can hold this, I think we get a bounce back into 170, but looks kind of tricky here. Now 141, we really have to hold this, or we really flush it down pretty quickly here, right? And we never really had any kind of a bounce after this big massive pullback here from that 200 area back down to the 130, 140. So that's a 60-point pullback without any meaningful bounce, right? So maybe we get it right now. Maybe we try to retest the low here, 130, 140, and then try to get a bounce back into the 170. And then maybe get rejection there, and then maybe continue pulling back if we can't hold this 170 area too. So that's what I'm kind of looking at right now. I'm down about $500. Yeah, I mean, this account I still have like $5,000 drawdown, so yeah, if we we pull back here, probably pull back into the 110s. Now we have to hold that area. If you don't, then I think we have a problem.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
That's it. That's it. Oh my god, we can't hold that even. Damn. 160, man. Target 160. Let's see if we get a bounce back into 160, guys. 160 zone.
Order filled.
Order
Filled.
Order.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys. Accounts back up again. Nice little bounce we are getting right now, guys.
Order filled.
I'm down to 5
Order
contracts
filled.
here.
Order.
We're gonna
Order
hold the
filled.
160 now. I'm down to
Order
3.
filled.
I'm looking to see if we get a little extension here. Back up again to the 180 zone. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right now.
Order filled.
$200. I mean, I'll take it. You guys know it's down quite a lot, so. Yo, what up, everybody? Yo, man. Yo, I'm #1 basketball player in Korea. Yeah, it looked weak, guys, man. It looks like we're gonna fall back here down. All right, by the way, guys, let's go ahead and do our giveaway. Now we've been waiting for, and thank you guys for being patient with me today. Let's get this giveaway going, guys. All right, I'm gonna close the entries. I'm gonna pick the winner now. Good luck, everybody. And this is the Funded Futures Network giveaway, and it's a 50K account. You guys can pick the account between Standard or the Express. It's at your discretion. So if you win this. By the way, guys, 1 second. I see a lot of you guys typing in now. Holy jeez, man. All right, guys, I'm going to resume the entries again. I'm going to give you guys 1 more minute to type in, okay? 1 more minute. All right? I'm going to put a timer, and I'm going to go 1 minute. That's it. You guys have 1 more minute, guys, to type in. 1 minute, though. Guys, you gotta put an exclamation and tiger, right? In order to, yeah. Oh my god, look at that bounce, everybody. The bounce is short-lived. Yeah, maybe, man. I'm nervous to kind of trade this bad boy right now, to be honest. Yeah, it doesn't look really. I mean, we probably needed a much bigger impulsive move to the upside, to be honest. The bounce, the kind of a bounce we're getting right now, I'm not sure if this is going to be a bounce. Maybe we could just retest the low here again, for all you know. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entry now. All right, you can no longer enter. I'm gonna call out the winner because I gotta get going here pretty soon. So let's go ahead and call the winner. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are here, please be here because I'm gonna have to give you a 5 minutes timer to make sure you are here to claim your price. Good luck, everybody. I'm picking the winner. Oh man, we are getting a bounce. Oh my god, look at that bounce, man. All right, anyways, oh, Gil Hermes. Is Gil Hermes here? Gil Hermes, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to kind of claim your price. If you're not here, then I'm gonna have to move on and redraw. Oh man, we are getting a big bounce, guys, man. I'm annoyed. Oh, Gil Her. Gil Her. All right, I'm gonna have to have you DM me on Discord, okay? And my Discord link I'm gonna share again, guys, if you guys are hanging out on one of the best Discord we have. Right, so there, I'm gonna share my Discord link. And the winner of this today's giveaway, please talk to me once the streaming is over. I'll take care of your price. Okay. Congrats once again to Gil Hermes. And I'm sorry, I could not do anything more than one, unfortunately. And that's just one I could do. But congrats to the winner, though. But I try to do it every day, which is great. I love giving back to the community, by the way. It's just my nature. My nature. Anyways, guys, I think this is it from my end. The market trying to get a bounce, and I'm not there in that trade. I'm pissed. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna have to go. We'll see you guys back. Not tonight. Today's Friday afternoon, guys. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night. Much stronger and more giveaways to come on Sunday night, guys. Take care, everybody. Have a great rest of the day. We had a nice, beautiful day. All green, no red. I hope you have a great rest of the day and a great weekend, all of you. Thank you for being here today as well. Love you guys. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night. 5 p.m. Eastern time. Everybody, once again, have a great day. Thank you. God bless you and your family. Take care. We'll see you guys later on a Sunday night. Thank you so much. Peace.